Hi, here's Shirley, and this is my final speech. Started. When we think of Earth, we think of a large green planet. Specifically, our ecosystem is highly dependent upon large forests. Deforestation refers to a process where people cut down large portions of natural forest for industrial and agricultural purposes. However, deforestation not only means direct habitat loss for numerous animals who live there, it also accelerates climate change through various mechanisms. Therefore, it's vital for us to stop mass deforestation in order to save the Earth. Today, I will share with you the problems, causes, and the solutions associated with mass deforestation around the globe. First, let's talk about the problems. As mentioned before, since forests play a key role in constituting a stable and healthy ecosystem, deforestation directly disrupts this balance. For one, deforestation directly translates to habitat loss for many exotic and common animals. This means that a range of animals are being forced into extinction by deforestation. According to the Raptor Research Foundation in September 2021, deforestation in the neotropical region has led to critically endangered status for the white-colored kite and the Cuban hook-billed kite, birds that take home in forest. Meanwhile, according to the 11th issue of the 2021 Nature magazine, while the Amazonia arc of deforestation concentrates nearly 1/3 of all global deforestation. 50 different species of primates are being threatened by this action. What's worse, deforestation also causes problems in a such larger scale. Studies have found that mass deforestation has largely contributed to the current climate change issue. According to American Meteorological Society on March 15, 2001, deforestation has contributed to the fact South American climate has become hotter and drier for the last 3 decades. Meanwhile, the same journal on August 1, 2021, further published a study where it established a strong link between deforestation and the transport of dust from northern Africa to Amazon. That is not all. Deforestation has also caused unforeseen problems throughout the world. For one, deforestation has caused stubborn weeds to cover the deforested areas that is detrimental to agricultural practices. According to the Nature magazine 2021, the latest study model has demonstrated that deforestation has caused some rapid spread of wild grass species that are extremely difficult to remove. Meanwhile, deforestation also causes the emergence of many diseases. According to the Nature magazine 2021, again, a study established positive relationship between the large scale of deforestation and the prevalence of malaria in that area. Now that I have talked about the problems, let's move on to the causes. One major cause of the prevalence of deforestation, despite its extreme environmental consequence, is that is a large profit behind these practices. Therefore, it requires reasonable and enforceable laws that preserve the environment against profit-seeking individuals. With that in mind, the lack of such laws in certain regions causes deforestation practice to go unchecked. According to South American journal Floresta on June 2021, one major cause of deforestation in Brazil is its government's lack of competence in enforcing the laws necessary to prevent illegal deforestation practices. Now that I have shared the causes, let's look at some solutions. With the information concern in mind, one way to reduce the impact of deforestation is through international agencies. Specifically, since the negative impact of deforestation is felt worldwide, while deforestation remains largely to be a regional issue, we need strong international environment preservation process to deal with this relative local issue. For instance, the UN needs to set up to fund local sustainable industries so that local systems do not resort to cutting trees in order to make a living. In terms of deforestation for larger farmable lands, corresponding forestation programs needs to be implemented to compensate for the large scales of forest loss. Clearly, there are some viable solutions to solve this problem. Today, I have shared with you the problems, causes, and solutions associated with deforestation with you, while progressing our society. Other than how much prospect we wish to leave to our next generation, we also need to think of how to preserve the nature of our earth, so that our children could also enjoy the same pristine environment we do now. I believe preventing deforestation is a crucial step to achieving this goal. Thank you.